guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to unbox my September sugar box. Practically it is August ka sugar box, but because I always receive it in next month, that's why I titled the video accordingly. So if you are interested in knowing what all we have in this month's sugar box, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I have the sugar box over here and let's just open this quickly and unbox everything super quick. Because मेरे को बहुत सारी request आई है. I was literally overwhelmed. Like even on my Insta, I got multiple requests for the sugar box, and even on YouTube, I've got some request in a comment section as well. So yeah, so this is how the September ka sugar box looks like. And the first thing which I see here, which was very disappointing for me, is this scarf. Because I have received the exact same scarf in two of my previous sugar boxes, and that's very disappointing. Just the difference was color was different, but again those two are so exactly same, like red color mein mila, or this time we have this mint green color. Like I'm really disappointed. Like how many scarf, like why they are sending the same thing over and over again. कुछ print अलग होती, कुछ fabric अलग होता, फिर भी we could like adjust with that, but yeah, this is very disappointing. Now the second thing is also kind of disappointing for me, because I have received the exact same thing in one of my previous sugar box, and that is this comb. So I'm just going to give you a quick look over here. So if you have followed, like if you have seen all of my sugar box unboxing, you would definitely remember this thing. So I have received the exact same thing in one of my previous sugar boxes. So I don't know what I will do with two exact same brushes. So here it is, like this is how the hairbrush looks like. And yeah, I think I might just give it to somebody, but yeah, it feels like paise barbaad hi ho chuke. So yeah, this is the second thing we have in this month's sugar box. Now the third thing, which they always give as a treat, and this time I've also received a treat from them, which is this Appeal, like from the brand called Appeal. It's their cold 24 karat Swiss milk choco. So I just have to quickly open this and see. I can't eat this, it's chocolate only, so I'll have to give this to my Barbie, so she'll have it. So this is the third thing. Like, let me give you a closure. I always forget to give you the closure specifically in this sugar boxes ka unboxing. So this is how the chocolate looks like. We have two of them. Like, yeah, we have two of them. Now the fourth thing I see here is very cute. Yeah, sugar box hai to mera cute word to hoga hi hoga. So we have this cute little candle which like says only for you, handmade candle, and it's fragrance for your home. So this is how the candle looks like. It's in this cranberry pink color jaisa hi. It's not red, it looks much red on the screen, but it's actually in pink color. And this is how it looks from the inside. Yeah, and it smells like perfume only, very strong perfume. So we'll have to lit this and see how that actually works, but it smells amazing. Okay, smells really good. So this is the next thing we have in this month's sugar box. Now the next thing we have here is this wallet. Now see, we have received so many wallets in past as well, but the thing is they are not the same, right? So we can still like use it in a different occasion, but this scarf is still like exactly same. So that's why I said that I was very disappointed when I received that one. So this is how the purse and wallet, whatever you wanna call it, looks like. It has this shells over here, like, and it's in this monochrome or holographic pattern all over, and it also comes with this pom-pom, which is very cute. And this is how it looks from the inside. It's completely back, and it has this compartment over here. So yeah, that's the next thing we have in this month's sugar box. So let me give you a closer look to this as well. So this is how the wallet looks like. Now the second and last thing we have here in this month's sugar box is fashion accessories. Like they usually do include fashion accessories in all of their sugar boxes, and this time it's very unique and very useful thing. So we actually have an evil eye bracelet. If you can see this this is how the bracelet looks like. Let me just open this and try to wear it if I can. So yeah, you have this thing over here which is adjustable, so any wrist size can fit in here for sure. Wait. Alright, so we're almost done. Okay, so that's how the bracelet looks like. Oh my god, this looks very classy and pretty, doesn't it? I really love it. See, even the quality is to the point, like it's very good. I don't think it's gonna tarnish or anything at all because it looks pretty good quality. So that's the next thing. I think I'm gonna keep like I'm gonna wear this over here only. Now the final thing we have in this month's sugar box is again a lamp, but it's very unique and not the light lamp at all. I'm just going to open this over here. Alright, so it says it's atmosphere lamp. It says it like I got the sunset one, and they had different variant like the sunset red, rainbow, sunset, and sun. No, I actually got sun because it's ticked over here, so I got the light, like the variant is in sun. So it says it's bright crystal clear, and yeah, what else? Okay, it says it can be used for photography, broadcast room, photographing objects, ambient light, etc. And you can change the position of the lamp, and it's very adjustable as well. So this is how you can change the position, like you can bend it the way you want. And here you have the code, and you just have this USB ending to it, so you have to attach it to the adapter, and then you can use this. So I'm gonna insert the clip probably, or yeah, I can't really show you right now, so I'll just insert the clip of exactly how it looks because it looks amazing. Okay, alright guys, so I connected this to the power bank, so it's convenient to show it to you guys. So it comes with this button over here, so you just have to press it, like that's how it turns on. So I'm just going to like see how bright is that. So I'm gonna show you how that looks when you put it on your face and stuff like that. So like this kind of photographs are very in these days, like it's all over the internet currently, so you can use this for that. So I'm just going to turn off the ring light so you can see it very much properly. Alright, see, so that's how it looks. I think it looks amazing, and it just sets the mood right. If you want mood lighting, or you can also use this as that. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Oh my god, I'm in love. I wish I could show you what it looks to the farther surface, but yeah, let me still try to give you an idea. I don't think I can give you the idea. Like yeah, this is how it looks like. Oh my god, I love it. I think I'm gonna click so many pictures today. Yeah, love it. So that was all. That was the last thing in this month's sugar box. I know you guys were waiting for this month's sugar box unboxing, and I'm very sorry that I couldn't film it because I didn't receive, like I just received it yesterday only. Yeah, I just received it yesterday. So yeah, I tried to make the video as soon as possible. So that was all for today's video. Don't forget to check out my description box. I will link all of my previous box, like unboxing of Sugarbox ka playlist in the description bar, so you can go ahead and click that playlist and watch all of the unboxing if you wish to. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video, share this with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.